Stop recording.
5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is the following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lake on the Ozarks, Lake on the Ozarks State Park,
Downloaded 1 hour left.
Lori, Sabino Beach, Creek, Saguaro Hills, Green Bay Terrace, Hurricane Deck, Old Creek, Arnokia. For your move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Kansas, and Oregon. The current time is 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service
Messages. Now, 753. Stop.
thunderstorm warning for Central Miller County.
Alert. Downloaded 2 hours.
I don't know why it went on quiet.
Lake on the Ozarks, Lake on the Ozarks State Park, Gilboa, Osage Beach, Lake Ozarks, Lake
Alert. Downloaded 2 hours left.
Tuscaloosa, Eugene, Bagnell, Edgefield, Lakeview, 23rd, Marion's Home, Aurora Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Camera. Stop recording.
Central
Button.
Standard Time for the following
Guys,
counties.
reports and
Miller, Missouri.
law enforcement.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Canada and
Alert.
south central
Downloaded
Oregon
2 hours
counties.
left.
At 7:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm